So, welcome back to Forex Pros. Let's do a complete breakdown analysis on XAU USD, which is the gold, and see what kind of trading opportunities can be found. First of all, we gave one signal only, and it is still running because the market, it was the closing day of the month. So when the market is about to close, on the monthly candle is about to close, we try to trade as less as possible. And also I will try to make this analysis as educational as possible. So now moving to the monthly time frame, what we can see is that, first of all, what we can see is that market made this impulse, then a correction. Now what do we expect after that? We expect a continuation to the upward, to the impulse of the market. As the impulse was towards the upside, so we can expect the market to move to in the upward direction. So this was a basic expectation. Now if you want to go to the proper technical analysis of the market, what you need to do, is that take the Fibonacci from bottom to the top, and what we can see is that market retraced beautifully to the 0.618 level, which is the golden ratio level on the Fibonacci retracement. And what do we expect? We can expect the market to continue its movement towards the upside. And what we can see is that the upward target, the nearest upward target is 2200. And as you know, this is a heaven pair, which means that the possibility of its going in the upward direction is more than 90%. And what we can see is that market made a huge rejection on the monthly time frame. When the market how do we know that the market has made a rejection? So as you can see that the market tested this 0.618, and it was all a tail on the end of the monthly candle. So it means that this was a huge rejection. So on the monthly time frame, currently what we can see and what we can expect is that the market is bullish. Moving down to the weekly time frame, the things are very simple. Why? Because what we can see is that this was a basic area of resistance at this point, which is now has been broken, and the market is moving in the upward direction. So first of all, the basic trend of every pair is that whenever a resistance is broken, it turns into a support. So the market again tests the support and then continue its movement towards the upside. Sometimes the market does not respect this motion, so we have to take in consideration other things as well. So for now, what we are seeing is that on the monthly time frame, the market has moved towards the upside of the previous resistance, which is now the support, and the market may test this support and continue its movement towards the upside. So on weekly and monthly time frame, we can expect the market to be bullish. Moving down to the daily time frame, what is the current scenario? The current scenario is same as the monthly and weekly time frame. This was the previous resistance which has been broken now, and what we can see is that market is basically currently testing this support area. So what will we do? We will monitor the price action of the market on this time frame, and if we want the confirmation, what we can do, we can take the Fibonacci on the impulse from top to the bottom, and what we can see is that this is the 0.382 level. So we can expect the market to continue from this point, shift in the upward direction and make a good bullish move. So the things on the monthly, weekly and daily time frames are telling us that the gold market will be bullish. Now before taking our entry point, how do we take the entry point? There are certain rules which I do not tell in my free video. You will have to take the course for that, in which we check, and if our confirmations are done, then we take the entry on the 4-hour or on the 1-hour chart. We will be providing the signal of entry on gold on our Forex Pros channel. The link is in the description. Do join and check out our signals. Also, a Forex member of Forex Pros family today gave me a challenge. He sent me $200 and he asked me to grow that $200 account to $100,000. I made a video in which I gave a complete safe plan to grow $200 account to $100,000. So I will be growing that $200 account to $100,000. I have shared the investor password in my forex pros channel. So do log in that account and see how we grow the account to $100,000. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask anytime, and do tell us in the comment section which pair or topic would you like us to analyze in the next video. And last but not the least, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can whenever we upload another analysis or tutorial.